Today I am planting mushrooms right in my garden. I'm actually going to interplant them with existing plants. I've picked one of my shadier beds to plant them. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, how easy it is, and what I've been using. So today I'm going to be planting pink oyster mushrooms from Spore. This is their plant and grow mushroom starter block. I have already grown their blue oyster. It went fantastic. So the first thing you do is you pick your spot in your garden where you're going to plant your block, and you're going to dig a hole the size of your block. If you're not ready to plant your block right away, that's okay. You can store them in the fridge for up to 6 months. The important thing is to open up the bag in terms of don't open the bag, but unfold the bag and then make sure that this ventilation part on the back is unobstructed. So I received this and did not put it in the fridge right away, which I should have. We actually have some mushrooms already starting to sprout on the block. Now I'm going to backfill around the block with the soil. Then I'm going to choose to take some homemade compost and sprinkle that around. And lastly, I'm going to take some wood chips. You could also use dry leaves, and I'm going to put about a 2-inch layer on top of the block. Don't forget to label. And then depending on the weather, I may water up to 2 times a day, but at least once a day. Over in this shady spot, I chose to put an entire bed dedicated to growing the mushrooms. And I've got blue oyster, pink oyster, and chestnut all planted here, ready to go.